My dear children, today let us learn class 6th social science lesson Our Karnataka part 2 Natural Resources. What are natural resources? Resources obtained or get from nature are called natural resources. For example, rivers, forests, waterfalls, animals, soil, minerals, etc. are the resources provided to us by nature. So we can say these are the God-given gifts. You can see the types of natural resources here. Those are provided to us by God. Naturally we got. Bangalore has tropical monsoon climate. The climate of all the district is not similar. So we can say Kolar has the hot climate whereas Shomoga receives highest rainfall and the lowest rainfall the area is Chitradurga. Chitradurga receives the lowest rainfall. The remaining districts Tumakuru, Davangere, Ramanagara and Chikkaballapura receives moderate rainfall, medium rainfall we can say. Slide we can observe in the map there many of the rivers of Bangalore division originate in the Western Ghats and flows towards the Eastern Ghats. For example, river Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Shimsha, Tungabhadra and Varada flows towards the eastern side, originate in the Western Ghats and flows towards the Eastern Ghats, and river Sharavati flows in the western direction. It originates in the Eastern Ghats and flows to the western side. And we can observe the two more pictures there, Jog Falls and Mutyala Madhu waterfall. So two important waterfalls are, one is Jog Falls, world famous Jog Falls is in Shomoga. Another one is Mutyala Madhu is in Bangalore district. This slide you can observe four dams. One is Gajanuru Dam, Tunga Dam, Vanivilas Dam and Markonahalli Dam. Gajanuru and Tunga dams are in Shomoga and Vanivilas Dam is one of the irrigational project which is there in Iriyuru Taluk of Chitradurga. Another dam is at Markonahalli of Tumakuru districts. And this division has numerous tanks, many number of tanks, and Mysore kings have constructed many dams mostly for the purpose of irrigation. The rivers in Bangalore division dried out due to one is environmental pollution, second one deforestation, third one is uncontrolled urbanization and many more other reasons. First one, we go through the environmental pollution. We can see the picture over here. The river is full of garbage, or we can see the plastics, bottles, tins. And the second point is deforestation. The forest is cleared. And third point is the area is cleared up, cut up all the trees and built buildings and constructed roads, and that is called urbanization. So we can say many rivers of Bangalore urban districts are on the verge of extinction. Rivers may disappear even in some years because they cut off the trees and build buildings and construct roads. As a result of all these reasons, severe scarcity of water is there in Bangalore division. there is less water. They bring the water from outside Bangalore in tanks, and so there is a deficiency of water in Bangalore division. So Mysore Kings have built many dams in Bengaluru division because of the scarcity of water. So there is a urgent need to protect the water sources like tanks and save underground water. This slide we can understand that Bangalore division has many mineral deposits. The most productive gold mines of a country are in Karnataka, and we can say Kolar gold mine is famous among all. In the picture you can observe, and this gold deposit of this mine is exhausted. Very soon it will be empty, we can say. And you can find in the picture iron ore deposits, then copper ore deposits, then atomic energy production. Everything is available in Chitradurga district, and iron ore is present in Tumakuru district also. Hope you understood about the natural resources of Bangalore division. Now let us understand and revise the question answers of this natural resources. What are natural resources? Give examples. Resources obtained or get from nature are called as natural resources. For example, rivers, forest, waterfalls, animals, soil and minerals. Second question, which districts in Bangalore division receives the highest rainfall? Shimoga district in Bangalore division receives the highest rainfall. Third question, state the reasons for scarcity of water in Bengaluru division. 1 point is environmental pollution, deforestation, and the last one is uncontrolled urbanization. Question number 4, name any two waterfalls in Bengaluru division. Jog Falls and Mutyala Madhu. Thank you children for listening. Revise the lesson and write the question answers in your social science notebook.